Hey everyone, Marc Luber here. Today in JD Careers Out There, we're exploring what it's like to be a corporate bankruptcy lawyer. So let's get to it. Today's guest is Scott Gauthier, a corporate bankruptcy lawyer in Los Angeles who's a partner at the firm of Peitzman Wegg. Scott's previously practiced at some of the top international law firms, and he's been recognized by Chambers USA as one of California's leading bankruptcy lawyers, and he's been listed as one of Southern California's super lawyers by Law and Politics and Los Angeles magazines. As you may already know, here at JDCOT, we help you find and succeed in fulfilling careers using a law degree by exploring career paths both in and out of law. And today we're going to explore the path of being a corporate bankruptcy lawyer, so let's meet Scott and get started. Scott, welcome to JDCOT.
Thanks, Mark. It's great to be here.
Definitely. Thank you for being here. And Scott, I'm going to have you tell everybody about a typical day and who makes the right fit for this path, as well as how to break in and how to succeed. But first, let's start with the basics. Tell us about your practice and what you do as a corporate bankruptcy lawyer.
Wow. We do a lot, and one of the reasons I chose corporate bankruptcy law is because in a typical day, particularly if we're representing a debtor, we get to climb into someone's business and that's in distress and really help them out. People look to us not just for legal answers, but they look to us to help them solve their business problems. They look for us to be a psychologist. As you might imagine, people that have a failed company or at the helm of a failed company often feel guilty about the choices and decisions they've made, and we help them move past that. We help them feel better about the future. We help empower them to move forward, and we also obviously do the legal side of it, which is to analyze their situation and provide options, or at least outline their options so that they can choose the path going forward.
What are those options usually?
Wow. There's lots of them. Sometimes the option is closing down the business and getting out, both personally to redeploy the assets, to sell the business, to chop it up into various pieces. It might be the options between suing and settling certain litigation that they might be facing. They're business decisions in every way possible as much as they are legal decisions. And I think that's more the case in corporate bankruptcy than in a lot of other areas of law.
So to someone who knows nothing about bankruptcy, let's say someone's watching, maybe they haven't yet gone to law school, or they're in law school, they haven't yet taken a bankruptcy class, explain what exactly it is that you're really helping a business do in real layman's terms.
Yeah. Well, we're talking about the debtor side of the practice, and I think that's probably a good place to be, Mark. On the debtor side of the practice, you're talking about that business, that company that is in trouble, that can't pay all of its debts as they come due, and they're looking for the future. So one of the things you have to do is analyze each of their creditors' claims. Each creditor for a corporate business has a different priority with respect to repayment of their obligations. So one of the first things we need to do is we need to analyze and investigate the priority of the various creditor claims so that we can advise the client in how to negotiate with the different creditors in terms of moving forward. Ultimately, something's got to give. You can't get blood out of a turnip, right? You can't pay everyone if you don't have enough money. And if the future proceeds of this business are not going to be enough to pay all of the existing obligations, somebody's got to give. The Bankruptcy Code answers that question to some extent. But bankruptcy is every bit as much a negotiation and creating a business plan and something that works for everyone. It's a global settlement between all of your creditors. And so you've got to be able to analyze and understand the law as to who has priorities to what assets and what priorities you can set aside and in what ways and for how long, and how you might restructure and reorganize those debts. It is fascinating because you're dealing with the universe of claims against the business, and you're analyzing each one of their positions. You're playing one side against the other. You're playing against the middle. It's intense.
All right, if you're on YouTube, please give us a thumbs up if this was helpful. And if you want to see the full interview with Scott, come visit us at JDCOT.com, where you'll learn more about what it's like to be a corporate bankruptcy lawyer, who makes the right fit for this path, how to break in, and how to succeed. If you're already at the site, you could just scroll down to the full version of the video, and make sure you join the membership so you get access to all the helpful videos. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I'm Marc Luber, and I'll see you soon.